Hello and welcome to Schrödinger's course. Or is it a course? We don't know what this is going to be. Maybe it's just a one-off video on YouTube. Maybe I die of a heart attack tonight. Hope not. Maybe this is the beginning of a long and a glorious playlist on YouTube. Videos on quantum theory and quantum mechanics. I don't know. Or maybe it's a course on Udemy. We won't know unless it happens. When we open the box, we'll find out if the cat is alive or dead. That's an allusion to Schrödinger's cat. More on that, I hope, maybe, later on. I've been interested in quantum physics since I was in high school. This book by George Gamow, 30 Years That Shook Physics, came out in the 1960s. I didn't read it in the 1960s. I tried to read it in the late 80s and early 90s. Didn't really understand what it is. I've been on a quest to understand quantum physics since high school, and I've not really succeeded. I've made some advances, but hey, we're going to use ChatGPT, or maybe Bard. We'll find out. I'm going to start with ChatGPT to help us learn some stuff about physics. Can we use artificial intelligence to teach ourselves quantum physics? That's part of Schrödinger's experiment here. But I've been on this quest. I started to study science in college, and then I got called into ministry, and so went off into religion. I'm still in religion. I'm still a religious person. I'm still a Christian. I'm still a minister, actually. That's not important. I could teach you Greek and Hebrew. But can I teach you and myself quantum physics? I don't know. I've tried lots of different things. I tried this book by Leonard Susskind, Quantum Mechanics, the Theoretical Minimum. I was very disappointed, maybe because of my own stupidity, but this really didn't help. But it'll be part of this, maybe. I bought this book by David Miller, Quantum Mechanics for Science and Engineers. Couldn't get past the first chapter. Read this book by David Griffiths, which was supposed to be easier. Didn't really get me very far. I know the basic storyline. I know the simplest equations. But can we use ChatGPT to teach ourselves quantum physics? That's the question. Is the cat going to be alive, or is the cat going to be dead when we open it up? We'll find out. I will say that I was very inspired by this book on relativity, a most incomprehensible thing, toward a very gentle introduction to the mathematics of relativity. It incorporated an idea that I also had since high school, which is why not learn the maths as you go on a need-to-know basis? This is not the normal way of teaching math and science, right? You build building block, and it takes like years before you have any payoff whatsoever because building block. Why not learn it in reverse? What inspired me here was a Harvard physics textbook that I received as a prize in the 80s that basically taught calculus as you needed it for physics. I thought, what a great way to learn calculus on a need-to-know basis. And so, again, Schrödinger's course. At the end of this, I would love to have a book like this on quantum mechanics that written by moi and ChatGPT. Let's see whether it happens or not. Well, this video is going on too long. So this is, welcome to, maybe, Schrödinger's course. Are we going to learn quantum physics? Are we not going to learn quantum physics? Stay tuned. This is my Saturday quest.